Shoot.
Magandang umaga po muli. Ako po si Police Officer Salanggit. Kayo po ba si Miss Paula Almario?
Opo.
Miss Paula, kayo po ay inaaresto ko sa salang pagpatay kay Miss Karen Doral. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used or will be used against you in the proper court. You have the right to counsel. So if you cannot afford one, you will be provided with one. So, do you understand these rights?
Yes po.
Naiintindihan niyo po ba?
Opo.
Ma'am, I just want to make sure that you understand these rights. No? So you have the right to remain silent. So you don't have to talk to me at all. Do you understand that?
Yes po.
And you have the right to have an attorney during the questioning. Do you understand that?
Yes po.
So have you decided to talk to me or not?
Can I have a lawyer?
Of course, ma'am, you can. So remember that anything you say from this point will be used against you in the open court. But, of course, with the presence of a proper counsel. Okay, ma'am? Let's go.
Sa akin ang wallet mo.
Dispatch, ito si Officer De Castro. Nakikita kong tila may pang-hold up sa kanto na 5th at Main. Nag-i-intervene ako.
Copy officer, papadala kami ng backup.
Ang wallet ko. Hoy, huminto ka dyan!
Ano nangyayari? Wala akong ginagawa.
Ikaw ay arestado sa pang-hold up. Nakita ko ang buong pangyayari.
Tulungan niyo po ako, kinuha niyo yung wallet ko.
Ma'am, okay ka lang ba? Pwede mo bang kumpirmahin ang nangyari?
Opo, kinuha niya yung wallet ko tapos sinubukan niya pang tumakas.
Patan kang manahimik. Ano mong sabihin mo ay maaaring gamitin laban sa'yo sa korte?
Tama ito, kailangan niya ng warrant.
Kitang-kita naman ay huli ka sa akto. Pwede kitang hulihin ayon sa batas kahit walang warrant of arrest. Officer, kailangan na natin kumuha ng pahayag mula sa biktima at masimula ng proseso para sa suspect.
Copy officer, ipa-file na namin ang report at susundan ito.
Dispatch, this is Officer Cruz. We need backup. Nagkaroon po ng putukan dito sa Maygulod, Labak.
Kaya officer Salanggit, magpapadala ako ng backup. Nasa hot pursuit ba kayo?
Possible suspect in hot pursuit, wearing black t-shirt, black pants, and black cap. I repeat, possible suspect in hot pursuit, wearing black t-shirt, black pants, and black hat.
Huminto ka, arestado ka. Huminto ka na, Mark! Oo! Susuko na!
Tumayo ka dyan at ilagay mo mga kamay mo sa likod.
Oo, maayos na. Kailangan na lang dalhin si Mark sa presinto para kunin ng pahayag.
Sophia, i-report ang sitwasyon at kumpirmahin ang pagdakip.
So, we need to make sure na kompleto na lahat ng dokumento ni Miss Celebrado para sa paglipat, ah.
Oo, at dapat natin suriin ang kasiguraduhan habang natin ililipat yun.
Ilalagay ko muna si Celebrado sa banyo para mag-CR. Mamaya, ililipat na rin natin siya.
Sige, siguraduhin mo nakalakang pinto ng CR, ah. Baka makatakas pa yan, eh. Ano yun? Ba't di mo binuksan ng pinto?
Alamin mo ang nangyari.
Dispatch, may nakatakas sa bilanggo si Miles Celebrado. I-check niyo yung parke, baka nandyan pa.
Mukhang dito siya nagpunta, suriin natin mabuti ang lugar. Huwag ka nang kikilos na masama, arestado ka, dapa!
Can you describe your relationship with the alleged victim or suspect?
Tarik na magkaibigan po kami ni Nicole, kasama po si Kayla. And saksi po kami sa relasyon nila ni Venus.
Ano ang naging relasyon nilang dalawa? Naging maayos ba?
Nung una, naging maayos ang relasyon nila. Nung nagtagal, medyo nagkakalabuan na po sila.
Nasaan ka nung nangyari ang krimen?
I'm with my friends po, party.
May mga saksi ba na makakapagpatunay sa iyong alibay?
Yes po.
Sino at ano ang ginagawa mo ng oras na iyon?
I'm with my friend Inday po. Isa po siya sa mga kasama ko nagpo-party. And also, may CCTV footage po sa party namin. Sa pinantahan namin ng party. Kaya, pwede niyo po i-check yun.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
So can you state your name for the record?
I'm Marco Rodriguez.
So thank you, Paula, for being present here today. So a few days ago, around 8 in the evening, there was a homicide incident in UP Town. So I'm going to ask you some questions.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, alright, do you know Venus Alangit?
Yes.
And how do you know her?
She was my neighbor. I had admiration for her.
What were you doing when the crime happened?
I was sleeping at home.
Do you have some proof that can support that?
Nothing, because I had no one at my home.
How can you explain the evidence that we obtained about you?
Hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya napunta sa bahay ko.
Ano ho ang sabi niya sa anak niyo?
Mabait na bata po yung anak ko, hindi niya po kaya makipag-awit sa kung sino ng tao.
Next, we will hear from the forensic expert regarding the evidence.
Your Honor, I would like to call forensic expert Miles to the stand.
This is the cutter found at the crime scene, Your Honor. It has traces of Miss Jolina Panganiban's blood.
And where exactly was this knife found?
Discovered in the alleyway behind Miss Jolina Panganiban's residence on July 2nd.
Thank you. Now, I would like to call forensic expert Kayla to present the fingerprint analysis. Kayla, could you present the fingerprint results?
Tested fingerprint from the cutter. Our analysis confirms that they match those of the defendant Nicole Calleja.
Objection, Your Honor. The chain of custody for those fingerprints must be established.
Sustain! Kayla,
Please elaborate on how the fingerprints were handled.
The fingerprints were collected at the crime scene, transported to the lab under strict chain of custody, and analyzed within 24 hours of collection.
Thank you, Kyla. You may be seated. I would like to call forensic expert Miles again to present the IDs found at the scene.
These are the IDs found of the victim, Miss Julina Panganiban, and the defendant, Nicole Calleja. Nicole Calleja's ID found near the cutter at the crime scene.
Does the defense wish to cross-examine the expert?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Very well said. The evidence will be admitted. The court will now take a recess.
I am Prosecutor Karen Dural, representative of the people of the Philippines.
Defense, you may commence.
I am Attorney Laika Ochenta, representative of the defense.
Prosecutor, you may start your opening statement.
I am here to present my findings regarding the murder case of Aliana Canubon. There is a probable cause upon the preliminary investigation which can prosper to a trial of a specific suspect, Kyla Gungun. I am hereby requesting to Honorable Court to issue subpoena of specific witnesses, Nicole Calleja and Paula Almario, and search warrant to the residence of the suspect.
I object, Your Honor. The witness Nicole Calleja is not credible enough to present herself in the court as she has conflict of interest for this case.
Your Honor, witness Nicole Calleja is a primary witness for this case to unfold the truth of the murder case.
Objection overruled. With the power vested in me as a judge of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 100, I hereby issue specific subpoena for Nicole Calleja and Paula Almario, and search warrant for the residence area of Kyla Gungun.
Ha? Subpoena? Pasensya na po pero hindi ko po alam. May nagawa po ba akong mali?
Kaya hindi po natin sasabi kung hindi kayo pupunta.
Pero for your information po, subpoena is a legal document that issued by a court or government agency that compels a person to appear in court as a witness or to produce specific documents.
Ma'am, ang ibig po sabihin nito, pinatatawag ko yun ng korte upang magbigay ng testimonya o testigo sa korte.
Yes? Subpoena ad testificando? What is this, Mr. Officer?
Testificando means the court summons you to testify as a witness.
Testificandong Dulces Kiko? What do you need my testimonies for? I didn't do anything. Tsaka bakit hinahanap dito yung documents ko? Ha? Basta-basta na lang kayo. Just talk to my lawyer.
Ma'am, naintindihan ko po kayo. Ngunit kailangan nyo humarap sa korte dahil kung hindi kayo harap sa korte ay madadagdagan ng inyong kaso.
This is ridiculous.
Ano yan? Agad po.
Ano sila?
Ay, magandang umaga ho. Taga dito ho ba nakatira si Kyla Gungun?
Opo, bakit po?
Kaano niyo po si Miss Kyla Gungun?
Pinsan po.
Ay, pinsan ho. Ay, yung si Miss Kyla Gungun ho, meron po kami ngayong search warrant. Meron po kaming permiso ngayon na maghanap ng anumang ebidensya sa inyong tahanan. Ngayon ho, makikibasa na lang ho at sisimulan na namin maghanap sa inyong pamamahay.
Siya.
Karen, pasok ka. You can sit there. Okay, so thank you for coming today, Miss Karen Doral. So my name is Detective Princess Nicole Calleja. Okay, so I want to start first by expressing my appreciation kasi willing ka na pag-usapan kung ano nangyari. And I understand kung itong conversation natin ay magiging sensitive at magiging difficult for you. But gusto ko lang malaman mo na pwede tayong mag-stop if you feel uncomfortable or pag ayaw mong pag-usapan, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
And I want you to feel safe and supported habang magkausap tayo, habang pinag-uusapan natin kung ano ba talaga nangyari. So everything na mapag-uusapan natin dito ay hindi na makakalabas hanggat hindi natin nabibigyan ng solution. Okay? Okay ka pa sa iyon?
Okay na.
So thank you. To begin, can you share in your own words what you feel comfortable telling me about your experience? Ano nangyari nung gabi ng incident?
Bali po, nasa labas kami ng mga kaibigan ko. Nagpa-party po kami. And nung pauwi na po kami, sumakay po ako ng Uber. Tapos yung driver, nagsisimula na po siyang magtanong sa akin about sa mga sensitive na questions. And parang naging uncomfortable ako. Tapos nung dumating ako sa apartment namin, pinilit niya ako at pumilit siyang pumasok sa bahay namin. At
I'm so sorry to hear that. Can you describe kung ano nangyari simula ng pagpasok mo ng apartment mo?
tinulak niya ako sa higaan. Tapos nung sinasabihan ko siyang tumigil, hindi pa rin siya tumitigil. I was terrified and felt so helpless that time.
Okay, so what was your relationship with the suspect prior to that night? Na-meet mo na ba siya before?
No, he was just my Uber driver.
Okay, thank you for clarifying that. So, after nung incident, anong ginawa mo? Kumausap ko ba ng iba para mag-seek ng help? Or sabihin kung ano nangyari?
Siyempre after nun, nasashock pa ako sa mga nangyari. I called my best friend in the next morning and she encouraged me to report it.
I'm glad na ginawa mo yun na magsabi sa iba. And how did you feel immediately after the incident?
I felt scared, ashamed, and confused. I don't know what to do.
So it's completely understandable naman na ma-feeling ng gano'n. Did you notice any changes in your behavior or feelings after the incident?
Yes, I've been really anxious and having trouble sleeping.
I can only imagine how difficult that must be. May gusto ko pa bang sabihin or i-share kung parang specific na nangyari nung gabi yun?
Pagkatapos mangyari yun, I just want to know what happens next.
Absolutely. We will begin an investigation based on what you've shared and magpo-provide lang ng information about sa counseling services and also other resources para makatulong sa situation mo. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo that you are not alone in this, okay? So we'll do everything we can to help you. Thank you again for your courage today, Ms. Doral. If you think of anything else or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Okay? So, your well-being is our priority. Thank you again, Ms. Doral.
Dapat pala, nag-artista na lang kayo. Sino ang susunod na grupo? Hello? Isaliana, nasa akin ang hosting.
Yes po, Doc. Naibalik ko na po.
Sino ang susunod na na magbibideo? Magpe-present? Palakpakan muna natin yung nag-present. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nakatulog na yata yung mga... Yun! Marami doon sa likod. Oo, okay. Thank you. Si Car, si Mr. Elijah. Sino pa? Sino magpe-present ngayon, Miss Venus?
Sir, kay Adaw po.
Nasaan siya?
Hello po. Frederick Adaw po.
Wala dito sa screen ko. Ito. Mr. Frederick. Mr. Frederick. Nasaan si Mr. Frederick? Miss Aliana, nag-arkila ba kayo ng videographer?
Doc, hindi po. Kami-kami lang din po ang nag-video. Kami lang din po ang nag-edit.
Kayo rin na naglagay ng music?
Yes po.
Ayun pala eh. Okay na pala kayo eh. Oo, ilalagay natin sa YouTube tsaka sa Forensic Science.
Copy po, Doc. Copy po.
Yung mag-member ka na rin.
Sir, dito na lang po sa device. Kay Andrew Karaig po.
Karaig, saan ba siya? Saan? Ito. Gagawin kitang host, Mr. Polo. Mr. Karaig.
Sir, wala pa po sa amin ng host.
Okay. Sige.